Hey there folks, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your custom domain to a Koji project. The process is fairly simple, so follow along, and if you have any questions, leave a comment in the comments below. So to do this, you're going to need a couple of things. The first, obviously, is a completed Koji project. I have my space match game that I made in a previous tutorial, and the second is a purchased domain name, and I use Namecheap. You can use Google Domains, GoDaddy. Namecheap just happened to be the cheapest domain I could find at the moment of purchase. So let's go ahead and configure this thing. We're going to scroll down to custom domain name and click on configure. There are three different options. The first here at the bottom is if you've already configured a domain name, you can use that name and switch it from your previous project. Second is if you don't have a domain name yet, it will direct you to Google Domains where you can purchase a domain. And the third is if you do own a domain name and you want to host it, you can click on this top link here. So let's go ahead and click on that. Now our domain name needs to include a subdomain like www, so let's go ahead and do that. I have spacematcher.world. Let's type it in, www.spacematch.world. Okay, now we'll click on create domain and we'll get some additional instructions. So now that we've created the domain in Koji, we actually have to add a CNAME record to our DNS settings within our domain site. So that's very simple to do. I'll just go into the domain site that I'm in. This one is Namecheap, and the process should be fairly similar between Namecheap, Google Domains, GoDaddy, etc., etc. So from my dashboard, I can just click on Manage. And most likely in all of these, they will be in the advanced DNS section. This is usually where you will find your host records, which is what we're looking for. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a new record, and this is going to be a CNAME record. We're going to have our host as www, and our target is actually going to be this cnames.withkoji.com. So I'll copy that and I will paste it into the target. Now you'll want to make sure your time to live is set to some sort of automatic setting, and then we will save the changes. So now all we have to do is wait for a confirmation email from gokoji.com. All right, folks, I did receive the email. It looks something like this. It says your domain has been configured and is ready to use. It's from noreply@gokoji.com. And it says something like your domain, www. Whatever your name is, has been configured and is ready to use. Now we'll want to go back to our deploy page and make sure that it is there. So we'll just exit out of this modal, and it looks like the custom domain name is here. Let's go ahead and click on it to make sure that it did load properly. So there we go. We have a custom domain name, www.spacematch.world. And it features our fully functional game here. So that is how you set up a custom domain for your Koji project. If you have a question, please leave a comment in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on the Koji platform, and follow us on all of our various social media channels. I hope you learned something useful in this video, and we will see you next time.